The chemical chameleon reaction is a color changing reaction which represents the different oxidization states of manganese. The chemicals needed for this reaction are a few crystals of potassium permanganate, zero point 0.5 grams of sodium hydroxide, 8 grams of sucrose or sugar. First, we need to make a potassium permanganate solution by adding 75 milliliters of water and dissolving a few crystals of potassium permanganate. When the potassium permanganate is dissolved in water, it gives a pink to purple color. Next, we need to make a basic sucrose solution by adding 8 grams of sucrose or sugar and then 0 0.5 grams of sodium hydroxide. Instead of the sodium hydroxide, potassium or ammonium hydroxide can be used. Then add 40 ml of water and stir the solution until everything has dissolved. Then add the basic sucrose solution to the potassium permanganate solution. As soon as the sucrose solution is added, the potassium permanganate solution slowly turns green and eventually turns into a golden brown color. This reaction is a redox reaction, which is short for reduction oxidation. The potassium permanganate is reduced while the sucrose is oxidized. What's happening here is pretty simple. First, we have the potassium permanganate, which is purple. The potassium permanganate is reduced in the presence of sucrose and sodium hydroxide into green potassium manganate. The potassium manganate is further reduced into manganese dioxide, which is golden brown in color and insoluble in water. Some of the green potassium manganate is reduced into an intermediate, which is blue potassium hypomanganate, which is further reduced into manganese dioxide. Because cellulose is also a reducing agent, it can be used instead of sugar. I smashed the paper with a glass rod, but nothing happened. So I lost my patience and I poured it down. But when I poured it down, I saw a little bit of green color in it, but I wasn't able to take a shot of it.